Hey everybody, so second day in a row. It's hot as hell, as the forecast said, but at least today got some things done. So let me flip this camera around and show you guys what we got done. Alright, so I do have most of this primered up. I just got to flip it upside down, right side up, finish that up. Then I can start with the white. Sitting on top here, this is for the frame that I'm making to go around basically it's a giant picture frame to go around a TV. And this is a shot of my garage. It is an absolute mess. And unfortunately, we've got a storm coming in, so I can't quite pull everything out because I need to get to my table saw. These boards here, I'm a little oversized on them. I'm not too good at using the track saw to do repeatable cuts, so I cut them a little oversized so that I can throw them down the table saw and get them all done. And this here is going to be the crown molding that's going to go around the outside of the frame. And then here's the drawer boxes for that piece there. So going to do some white on top of that, and get over here into this mess. Now that's some nice stands I'm making to go with the bed that I made for us, for my wife and I, and I've just kind of packed. And there's my table saw, and I really need to get to that table saw, but like I said, with the weather being what it's gonna be, yeah, just an absolute mess. And there's one of the tables, or one of the chairs, one of the side chairs I've got to refinish that goes with this table here. I've got most of that already done, so yeah, just need to get some of these projects done and out of the way so that I can move on to some of the other things that I've got planned. So yeah, real nice bright sunny day out here, so I guess I'll turn around this way here. Some good projects going on. Like I said, you know, this stuff behind me, that's for the TV cabinet, or the TV. It's a big picture frame that I'm going to be putting around it. If somebody wants, I'm not putting it. I guess I am putting it around somebody's TV. It's just it's not my TV. So I also finished up the emblems for my Power Wagon. It turned out like crap, so I'm just gonna order some new ones. So I tried to go from silver to body color, but turned out like garbage, so I guess I'll just order some new ones of that. So hopefully tomorrow I've got this here all boxed up, framed up, ready to go, and yeah, then we're on to getting this TV stand finished, and then yeah. Alright, well, we'll see you guys next time.